You know you're missing a door card, mate?
Hey?
You're missing a door card.
Alright.
Well, one of the most important things about being outdoors, communication. So what you got to do to install a UHF is to find a good location for the antenna, and if it doesn't matter if it's good or a bad spot, as long as it works, it fucking works. There you go. Step one.
What sort of drill bits you using, mate? That seemed to work quite well.
Good ones, gold ones.
Gold ones.
Yeah, mate.
Fucking premium gold.
And then it's all about the aesthetics. Making sure you do it right. Make it work. Pretty good location. Nothing but the best as well. You got to make sure you use fucking good quality GME shit.
Yeah, watch out for the drink, mate.
You up with that with tennis thing?
Yeah.
Nothing to worry about, mate. Now you might be wondering, what about waterproofing? But I'm not. Alright, alright, done.
Fuck, primo.
How are all things going so far, mate?
Hey, great, mate.
Good?
She's fella.
No dramas yet?
Slight vibration, but...
Yeah. Halfway. Rest of it's on dirt.
Who are you doing?
What's going on? How's the barbecue going?
Oh, fucking brilliant, mate. Can't you see? We've got full class meal, onion snags, burgers, bacon.
Go on here, mate.
Oh, just a little bit of cooking, you know, like a bit of sausages. Hey, that's impressive.
Yeah. BY Commodore Arden Hills 4 drive track. Just got up that huge hill. Yeah, Ron, as you probably can see behind me, I've got the old trusty Commodore that we use on a lot of our videos. Well, should be used on quite a few. We're going to use that to be our support vehicle. It has been through hell, but it also looks like hell. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a spruce up just to keep, you know, the cops off it. I'm going to sand it back and got some bully liner to spray it like I did with the Suzuki, so hopefully it comes out alright. I didn't get the colour I wanted. I wanted to go back maroon, which is the factory colour of that car, but it's too hard to get at the moment. It's just with this coronavirus, and apparently stock's not going to be here until Christmas. It's the first day of spring today, so blue was available, so who cares, we'll paint the fucking blue. Alright, just got to move a few cars, get out of the way. Got to give it a bit of a detail because it is absolutely filthy and full of dust inside. So to make the outside look good, I've got to at least make the inside clean. So on the way to take it to a place where I can actually paint it, it will need to be at least look respectable, just in case I do get pulled over by the police. It is roadworthy, just doesn't look it. Alright, we'll get into moving some cars. Okay. Alright, we'll go do a bit of a before and after with it. So I'll give you a quick walk around the outside, have a look how shit the paint is. Dyson's still in there. Anyway, this is the stuff we're going to be using. It is a bully rubber liner. I got it from the local Inspirations store here in Port Augusta. Now, I did have a lot of this here, but it is backed up with orders. Coronavirus has sort of slowed a lot of the things down, trying to get things in and out of Melbourne. But yeah, he's a stocker here in Port Augusta, so get a hold of that. It is a water base, so you just buy a gun, spray it on with an air gun. You can use a brush, and turns out quite good. We'll definitely find out to see if the blue suits the Commodore, but yeah, that's the stuff there, and it works quite well. Alright, now the fun part. I just waxed and grease, removed everything. I've got everything masked up. I did a very, very quick and poor job of sanding it, as well as the wax and grease remover I was pretty dodgy with. But who gives a shit, eh? Let's send it. Now the fun part. And there's the finished result. It's showing up quite blue in the camera, but it's quite subtle. See a lot of lines in it. I might go over it again, but only 2 litres of tub liner has done what it's done. So in the light I had, I couldn't tell if there's lines or not in it. But you can see a few now that I'm looking on camera. The camera shows it up better. Not too bad for the first lot. It's a lot better than what it was.